Justice delayed for victims and defendants as COVID-19 shut down the court system. Investigator Brad Franco tells us how prosecutors will try to clear the growing pile of cases.
Cases that we have pending are getting older and older and older.
Ninth Circuit Solicitor Scarlett Wilson says COVID brought the wheels of justice to a screeching halt. And with each passing day, the backlog of cases gets larger.
We're backsliding because we can't force things into court. We can't have trials, and that is creating a problem.
An additional 2,000 cases added to the existing backlog of cases.
That's an addition.
Yeah. What we're already.
That's going 10 or 12,000 up to 14, 15, 16,000.
It's very frustrating for all parties involved.
Defense attorney David Ayler says in normal, non-COVID times, it takes about 2 to 3 years to get a criminal case to trial, and the pandemic can play right into a defendant's strategy.
The older the case gets, more often than not, the better it is for the defense. Witnesses' memories, they may pass, they may move and be hard to be located, and the officers may leave the agency that they were originally involved with for the arrest.
However, Ayler is also concerned about those accused of crimes who can't afford bond or are denied it, waiting out the delay behind bars.
Then they're sitting in jail, incarcerated, still innocent, not proven guilty yet by a court of law in any form or fashion. Serving time and can be continuing to serve that time until they get there, as the cliche phrase goes, day in court.
Wilson says the real danger of not being able to get in front of a judge is that there are repeat offenders who are free on bond, still committing crimes.
And we haven't been able to get in on a bond revocation to see that these people await their time in jail because they have continued to reoffend. Some point we will have to make the hard decision of we have limited court time, limited resources. What are we going to spend our time on? I think we need to spend our time on the cases that impact the community the most, and that's dangerous people.
Now that means some cases will be dismissed and those defendants given a reprieve. Solicitor Wilson says she and her team will use data to guide those decisions, focusing on victimless crimes. She's also asking for more money in her budget to add attorneys to help once those trials can resume. Brad Franco, Count on 2.